Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful quick meal espresso machine after replace the pressure release vacuum valve combo. Comes together this one and making tune up for the machine. Let's go ahead and test it. Espresso shot. This is really beautiful shot with crema, and it's tasty too. This is the hot water, the steamer first. It works perfect. And the hot water. Works great too, and there was leak here from this one from here, so now it's like working perfect. Normal to release some water but not leaking like before, so the machine works perfect. Thank you for watching.